Okay, this is going to be 6425 Lakeshore Drive North in St. Petersburg, and I'm currently 33, almost 34 feet out. Time and date stamps on the top left, counters on the bottom. Currently we're in Orangeburg. I've pushed out about yay far, and that is going to be right here in the driveway. It is Orangeburg, so likely what needs to happen is the main sewer line is going to need to be replaced, and you're going to have to chase down to the point where you can't, follow anymore into the city tap. So I'm basically mapping hopefully where this starts. This is definitely Orangeburg. Taking note that this is 2 feet deep. And I'm going to end the marking right where it turns to cast iron. It's running back towards the garage door itself. So right here is where it turns to cast iron. So they're going to need to start from this point. I'm going to put an X right here. So that as well. So this is right before the driveway to concrete of the garage door. This is where it turns from Orangeburg to cast. So they're going to have to pretty much go from here all the way out to the city tap, because it is Orangeburg and needs to be replaced. Looks like the pipe underneath the house is still in good shape. It's cast iron, and then it goes PVC. Everything here is excellent underneath the house itself. But as far as when it exits the house and turns to Orangeburg, that needs to be replaced from here all the way to the tap. This will conclude the video. Thanks for watching.